So, are they doing like a specific cheer?
They're doing Red Hot. We learned it safe at the end.
Huh. You're stealing it?
Well, we just taught them like 4 of our cheers, and they taught us like 4 of ours.
Oh, okay.
4 of theirs. And then they don't know the rest.
That's all they know?
That's all they know. I know the rest, but I ain't gonna go out there. They're on their own.
Oh, that's hilarious. I'm being informed to move. Alright. Ready?
God, audience. G-O-O-D-L-U-C-K, good luck, Huskies, good luck, the time. G-O-O-D-L-U-C-K, good luck, Huskies, good luck. G-O-O-D-L-U-C-K, good luck, Huskies, good luck.
Good job. That was amazing.
Have you guys not ever seen the Cheerleaders?